Hello, 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 my lovelies. Welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am trying out something new again for me, and it is I will create an resin art on this 30 centimeter board. This art is a typical resin one where you use some crystals and acrylic crystals and you create some nice pieces that you after can hang it on the wall. So the first things is to put the longer crystals in place. And these crystals are just resin pieces that I poured in some crystal molds, and also I have these kind of crystal clutters, and I think I'll be adding that on top. So this is again the first attempt. I never done it before. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I have watched a ton of videos on how to do it, but of course when you try on your own, it's always interesting to see and interesting to do, and you see that not always it goes smooth as you would like. So I put my crystal pointers on the board, and now I will go around them and put some of these acrylic, they call acrylic vase fillers. So I will push them in the place, and then I will add a little bit of resin to fix them in the place as well. So this is a part that you would want to take time to really arrange them how you like, and that there are no gaps in between and everything is nicely filled. And now I'm going just over with a light drizzle of resin, and this will keep them in place for the future. I did color my board white with acrylic paint just to avoid bubbles coming out of the wood surface. So the next thing is I will prepare my colors, and here you see the board is already covered in some resin, and that was my very first attempt that I tried, but I don't like it at all, so I am going with another layer on top, and this time I'm using my thick resin that is glass cast 3. I usually use it for top coating my coasters, but this time I thought that it would work well in this project as well. So I am mixing my colors now. I will stick basically to the same colors: blues, white, floating gold, and I'll be trying out this cup that divides colors into little sections. I don't know really how to go about this, and it is a bit overwhelming for me. As I mentioned, it is the first time attempting and I just want to show you, my lovelies, how it went for me. And maybe you can learn something or take some tips for you for later from this video. So I mixed all the colors and I left transparent as well. Now I think it wasn't such a good idea, but at that time seemed a great idea. Anywho, I am putting all my colors in these little spaces. I got this divider of Amazon, and really you can find it anywhere. Amazon, eBay, and also you can choose how many spaces you would like. They sell from 2, I think, to 8. And so yeah, here are all my colors in, and I'm excited to pour it. So here I go. Take number 2. Fingers crossed it goes well. So I'm going over with the torch to pop all the bubbles and ready to leave it to cure. And this is the next day, and I know that on these arts it's nice to draw some lines or glitter lines or some lines with a permanent marker. So here I'm mixing a gold fine glitter with resin, and I wanna make some lines on my board. And for this it's nice to have the mixture quite thick, so I'm testing here if it's gonna be runny or not. And here I have just a bag for cooking, and I'm gonna place my mixture in and wait another 10 minutes so it goes thicker and the lines stay in place better. So once again, I was feeling overwhelmed to do this task because I had no idea how to make the lines, how many, which color. And here I have one spillage from the previous time, and here I have all my markers that I have. So it's nice to see which color will suit best for your piece at that time. And now I go again, kind of blind, not knowing where to put the lines. But once again, it's my first time and I'm not too much bothered, as long as I like it and I'm not stressing too much about it, because this piece is gonna stay with me forever and I will remember that it was the first one that I made. And I'm going here with my white pen and some blue again, and that's about it. I think that will do for now. And now I am removing the back tape and will take off the driplets. For that, it's nice to use a heat gun to warm up this resin, and they easy come off. I did place underneath a blanket so the resin is not scratching while I'm doing this job. And now you see, when the resin drips are heated up, warmed up, it's really easy to take them off. I was really impressed with that. So I have some big plans in the future to make more pieces like that. Of course, I need to practice and develop my technique, so I am confident in getting bigger canvas. And here is the ready piece. I'm happy with it. I'm enjoying one part more than other parts, but overall it's not too bad for the first time. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining. Please let me know by leaving a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!